Friends, good morning. Today my topic is cost of income rates, right? In the banking and finance cost to income and the ratio CIR. You know, how much cost a company, bank and they stand in to earn and the income, right? In a branch and the earn and the income is the 1 CR. Expenses is the 40 lakh rupees. Bank stand at 40% to earn every 100 rupees, right? Interpretation, ratio and the meaning, low CIR, matlab, cost of return rates in better and efficiency, and higher CR, higher and the CIR in a higher expenses and lower efficiency, and expenses is staff salary and branch rent and electricity, operating, travel and technology and marketing, and then you, as a manager, you can think how to earn income. Just processing fees and processing income and forex of in the income and cross selling income. Good cost of the income. Ratio in the CIR and below. Performance 40 to 50%, in a good, and below of 80% the excellent, 40 to 50% the good, and 50 to 60% the average, and above the 60% the weak. And branch manager, lowering and the cost of the income, and generally the means, and the increasing and the increasing of the casa, and more and more the more than in the income, and higher and the productivity, and per employees, and better and the asset and the qualities, and controlling and the unnecessary and expenses improving and the businesses and the per and the staff, and why the management in the for the focus and the heavenly and the own productivity and staff and the efficiency and revenue and the generation in the controlling and the idling and the manpower. Yes, CIR, cost of income, the ratio is to you understand total operating cost divided by total operating income into 100, as a branch level and the branch income. If your branch is income in 80, 80 and 1 CR, branch is the expenses in the 30 and 40 lakh, please divide and branch expenses of expenses upon branch income. This means